High-quality borosilicate glass. Our glass storage containers are made from high-quality borosilicate glass, which is stronger than cheaper glass food storage containers. Go straight from the refrigerator to the microwave or oven to the table. Portion control feature. The portion control feature of the divided glass lunch containers allows you to regain control over your meals. The two compartments glass containers make it easy to organize your meals and keep your diet plan. Airtight smart locking lids. MCIRCO Glass food storage containers use snap lock lids that comes with silicone seals to ensure your meal prep food will last much longer than normal plastic food storage containers. These lids are easy to use and will stop leaking. These lids will not break or slowly stop working. Food grade, easy to use and easy to take care of, as it can be used in the microwave, freezer, dishwasher, and oven. Take off the lids before placing in dishwasher, oven and microwave for better maintenance. 100% customer satisfaction. If you receive cracked products or you are not 100% satisfied with our products, please feel free to contact our customer service. We will give the best solution for you within 24 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Plenty of room for meal preps. Got these glass containers for meal prepping because I was getting sick of how grimy my plastic ones would get and really didn't feel comfortable microwaving the plastic over and over. We've already made 3 rounds of meals in these and love them so far. They were packaged beautifully. I ordered 2 sets and everything arrived in perfect condition. Haven't had any issues with them leaking or breaking yet. They seem like good quality. We put the containers in the dishwasher but hand wash the lids so they last longer. I was hesitant to order these because I thought they'd be smaller than the plastic ones I was using, however the size is deceiving. These actually hold way more. You can see from my pictures that they are much deeper than the plastic ones and the width of the compartment spaces themselves is basically the same size. My boyfriend eats like a horse and Tyrese plenty of space in these for his meal preps. I know it's not realistic to expect them to stack perfectly because of the compartments, but I wish they were a little more storage friendly. They don't stack great on top of each other even with the lids on, they slip around. I'll update after a few months of use, but for now these are fantastic.